Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
Video. So today we are going to learn about the how to use the Lombok builder in our automation framework. Apart from it, guys, we are also going to learn about what is the traditional way we were using and how Lombok is beneficial for us, how basically builder we are creating. So both the way we are learning here today. Okay, so let me clear a traditional way first about the without a Lombok builder, how our classes was going to generate. Okay, so you can see guys, this is a Lombok package I simply created, and here I'm just creating one more package over here which is named as a tradition. Okay, this is a package basically uh, traditional. Okay, this is a package I'm just creating over here, and then one more package I'm going to create over here with the Lombok with Lombok builder. Okay, this is the two package as of now I created. The classes I'm going to create once we are moving ahead, then we are going to create a package. Now let's move towards to our traditional class. Okay, in the traditional class I'm simple going to create the person class I'm creating. Okay, in this person class what exactly happened guys, I'm just usually define the normal or private variable private your person name like a string, uh, first name, semicolon. Then similarly I'm just defining the last name and those stuff. Okay, then here I'm just defining what I'm defining, last name. Okay, once we are done with the last name, then I'm just defining their age. Okay, these three variables only I'm defining, guys. There are multiple variables we can define, but these are the three variables I'm defining. Once we are done with this thing, guys, now we can able to create getters methods for it. So how to create simple, I'm just right click over here, not right click, simple, I'm just pressing alt enter, and you can see this is one by one getter method I'm going to create for all variables. You can see all these getters methods basically we created over here, and once we are defining the getters methods over here guys, now we have to create a builder class. So I'm going to create the person builder class over here. So nested class I'm going to create public static person builder. Okay, this is a class I'm creating over here guys, and once we are okay, sorry, I forgot to use the class over here. Okay, this is class basically we have to create guys. Okay, once we are done with this thing, now same variable I'm defining because this is a builder class we have, and once this is done, I'm one by one I'm creating what guys, I'm one by one I'm creating the builder class, builders methods over here. So how to create a builders method? Simple guys, I just need to use public. Okay, and then whatever person builder we have, person builder. Okay, and then I'm using over here person builder. This is a first name. For the first name we have, and I'm just passing my first name over here, string first name. Okay, this is what I'm passing here, and when this is done, what I'm doing guys, simple, I'm using this dot first name is equal to first name semicolon, and I'm just returning this keyword over here. Okay, this is how basically we can able to create a builders method over here. Now same builder method I'm creating for last name, and same builder method I'm creating for age. Okay, so I'm just replacing these names over here guys, that's it. I'm not doing anything special over here. Similarly age also I'm replacing over here guys. You can see this is how age this keyword I'm just replacing over here. Okay, this is how basically builders methods we created over here guys. Once we are done with this thing guys, then what exactly we have to do, we have to create a constructor. So for constructor again we need to go back, and here we have to create a constructor in a person class. Okay, so for constructor I'm doing private constructor, I'm defining over here guys. You can see private person. Okay, this is a constructor we have, right? Private person, and I am whatever builder class we create, that builder person builder and their object I'm defining over here. And when this is done, one by one I'm defining assigning the value over here. So you can see this is first name is equal to person builder dot first name semicolon. This is what exactly we can able to do guys. Okay, similarly what I'm doing guys, I'm just copying this another another variable. I'm just copying here as it is. You can see this is how I'm doing, and here is also this is how I can do. Okay, and once this is done, at the last, what we have to do, guys, I need to create a one more method which is named as a build method, because we need to build these methods over here, guys. So for that, what exactly I need to do? Simple, I'm going to create public. What I need to do, guys, simple, I need to create one more method, public, okay, person, because I'm just creating the build method over here, and I'm just giving the name over here, build. And in this build, you can see this is how I'm just defining, and I'm creating an object of the build person class. Person is equal to new person. Once this is done, I'm just passing the this variable over here, semicolon, and I'm just returning the person object over here. You can see, guys, this is how the builder class, these are the builder class basically I created. This is the traditional way we have. And if you want to access this method, if you want to set the value, so you can see again one more class I'm going to create over here, which is named as a what, guys, person test. This is a class I'm just creating over here. In this class, I'm just defining my main method over here. And once this is done, you can see I'm just creating an object over here for what, guys, person class. Person is equal to new person, okay, dot whatever new person we have, dot person, okay, dot what, guys, person builder. This method we have to create dot, and here I'm just setting the value one by one. My first name is Ganesh. This is why I'm setting. Then last name I'm setting over here like Jadhav. This is what I'm setting my last name, and then I'm just setting my age over here. Okay, suppose my age is example like 30 is my age over here, and this is what I'm defining. And then last we are constructing the build method. Okay, so this is how basically we are creating the constructor over here. So you can see this is how the huge line of code we have to write down. And later on, what exactly I'm doing, guys, I'm just accessing the method over here. So whatever method we have, those method one by one I'm accessing over here. System.out.println person dot get first name, and you can see that system.out.println person dot get age basically. Okay, you can see this is how I'm just setting the value, and I'm just printing the value. So you can see this is how the huge line of code you have to write down. And due to these terms, what exactly happened, guys, you're too much lengthy code you have to write down. So you are just setting the three variables value over here, and you have to create a huge builder like line of code you have to create. You can see now all these issues we can overcome with the help of the Lombok. So Lombok provides us some builders method, and based on that, with the help of those terms, we can easily construct a what, guys, we can easily construct the value. Okay, very straightforward we have with the help of the Lombok. Now what are those used, guys? You can see simple. I'm with the Lombok again. I'm creating the one more class over here, which is named as a student. This is a simple class I'm creating over here, and student also have a same name, right, guys? Private string, private variable. This is how same name we are having. So let me rename quickly refactor the name of the student class, because there is a R is involved here. Student. Okay, you can see this is how basically I just simple define over here. And what I'm doing, guys, I'm simply on this class, in front of this class, what I'm doing, guys, okay, in front of this class, I'm just simply add the what I'm adding, guys, getter method over here. And then later on, I'm just adding the builder annotations over here. Okay, you can see this builder Lombok annotation I added over here. And once this is done, only that's it. These things we have to do. We don't need to create other like this huge method where it is, guys. This is huge method. We don't need to create. Simple, we have to set over here what, guys, getter and builder method we have to set. And then later on you have to, I'm just creating the one more class here, which is named as a student test. This is class I'm creating. And once this is done, and in this class, what exactly I'm trying to do, guys, simple, I'm just calling these methods over here like this. Okay, this is pretty straightforward we have. Okay, and instead of this term, I'm just calling the I'm just renaming the name of class. That's it, student. And you can see these are the basic changes I'm just doing over here. That's it, guys. Okay, these are the what, guys, basic changes I'm doing over here. And here at the last, what I need to do, guys, I don't need to define these steps. Okay, simple, I need to use over here new. Okay, new student. Okay, you can use either new over here, and simple you can use over here student student builder. This is how the simple terms we have to use. Once we have defined these simple terms, guys, then what exactly we have to do now? Okay, what exactly we have to do? Okay, what exactly we have to do? Right now we have getting an error because we haven't defined these terms in a main method. That is why we have getting an error. So simple, I'm just defining all these terms in a main method. And you can see, guys, very straightforward way we have, and with the help of this term, we can able to create the builder class. And if I'm run my program, you can see, guys, all values are going to proper set it over here. You can see my program is running, and you can see this is how basically we can able to create the builder class with the help of the Lombok. So what you have to do, you have to simple use builder annotation, and based on that, your all this code is automatically generated by the Lombok. This is the beauty of the Lombok, guys, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.